As a new mum, Maggie Gray was inspired by her love for smoothies and noticing the short supply of healthy food trucks in the Auckland community, she set up her own wholesome beverage truck. So if anyone can give us the lowdown on fast, easy nutrition that's dairy-free and delicious, it's Maggie. Kia ora Maggie, nau mai. Haere mai, welcome along. RAWE te kite ia koe. I'm so happy to see you and I love your RAWE name as well.
Thank you.
That's a bit of a play on the raw, the RAWE.
Exactly, everything we use is wholesome raw ingredients, so the play on words is perfect.
RAWE, and awesome as well.
Exactly.
Nā reira, he hata tawa mahi te rānei. I think, are we going for 3 different RAWE types of drinks?
Yes, we are indeed. We've got a beautiful creamy chocolate milk. It's no refined sugar, no. You get the sweetness from the dates, and the cashews give it a beautiful creamy texture alongside the banana and the cacao. It's delicious too.
Koe nā te inu RAWE tuatahi, hea te mea tuarua.
Okay, our second drink what we're going to make is a twist on a classic blueberry smoothie. Most people have a jar of peanut butter in their cupboards, and so we're going to add a teaspoon of peanut butter and give it a real cool, nutty, unique flavour to it.
Me te mea whakamutunga.
And what we have next is a tropical, fruity, greener colada smoothie. My favourite cocktail is a pina colada, so I had to make a healthier version of it.
Nā reira, ka tīmata tāua ki here. We're going to start where? With the
chocolate.
With the cashews?
Yeah, the cashews. So we need the jug,
Ipu.
and we'll bring over some of the ingredients. We've got cashews.
Cashews.
This is cacao. Cacao is an amazing superfood full of nutrients and antioxidants, and they're just a great addition, and it's guilt-free.
Nā reira, ko tēnei te puehu. So this is like the cacao powder.
Yes.
And this is cacao nibs. That is kind of like little chunks of chocolate.
It's real dark, bitter chocolate. Yeah. If you're a dark chocolate lover, it's incredible.
How te kai whakauru tuatahi? What's our first ingredient then?
Okay, so we need to get some bananas and ice from the freezer.
Me mātua tuku ki te pauaka tio. Do we have to put it in the freezer?
Not necessarily. This is a great tip if you have smoothies regularly at home. Saving your bananas before they get really, really spotty and you think that they're no good anymore and you chuck them. It's a great way to peel them and cut them in half and just pop them in the freezer. Right. And they keep in the freezer for 3 months at most, but hopefully you'll go through them quicker than that. So we can just take 2 halves out of this and we can pop it into the jug. And next I'll put a handful of ice. There we go. Okay, next we'll need a cup measurement of almond milk.
Nā te mea kāre koe te whakamahi I te miraka nā te kau, ne? So you don't actually use any cow's base milk?
No, so we use a nut milk base, which it's not as heavy as the cow's milk, and it's also great with people with dairy intolerances as well that don't have to miss out.
Ka pai he hātu, nā.
So what we'll do is we'll have a 1/4 cup measurement of cashews to add in, and 2 teaspoons of cacao, and we'll just put 3 dates in, 3 pitted dates.
Kia toru ngā teiti.
And we should be good to go.
Wow.
Should have a nice smooth consistency when you kind of give it a bit of wiggle.
Aye.
Does it feel good?
Aye, and no he maunga pui, it's like a volcano in there. That thing's legit, isn't it?
It's 1 portion, but we'll just split these in between the 2 so we can both try.
What do we put on top?
We'll put the cacao nibs just to garnish them on top, which are a nice little crunch.
That looks amazing.
Okay, and we've also got some stainless steel straws as well, which are a great alternative to plastic straws.
Aye. Ka tino raru te tai au I ngā pūngo tēnē, because actually plastic straws are a real issue environmentally, aren't they?
Exactly. They don't even break down. They can be in the oceans and the land for years and years, and it's just a great alternative that people are really starting to become aware of. I'll just add a little bit of yummy minty garnish.
And that just makes everything pop. It looks gorgeous. And I didn't make whakamata. So we better try. And you too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's my favourite.
I see why. Wow, that is delicious.
It definitely gives you your chocolate fix.
Oh wow, that is really good. Kia kōrero pono ahau. Like sometimes I've got those chocolate smoothies from places, I'm like, it's horrible, but this is delicious.
Glad you're enjoying it. A great alternative as well is adding a shot of cold brew coffee to make it sort of a mocha as well. So if you haven't had your caffeine fix for the day, adding it to the smoothie, it's absolutely delicious. There's so many variations that you can do to it.
How te kōrero I tuatu I te RAWE. That is definitely delicious. And we've got 2 more to go.
Yes, we do. So up next we'll do the blueberry and the blue natto.
He kakakatoa au ki te whakamata o te mea tuarua, so now I can't wait for the second one, RAWE one, I'm sure. Te miraka amona I te tuatahi, so almond milk first?
Yeah, another cup of almond milk, please. We have some chia seeds, which are an amazing superfood. If you're going to invest in any superfood, it's chia seeds. Chia seeds has so much nutritional value, and it's great for your body and your brain development, and you don't even taste it. Like it's amazing. And we'll use like a cup of blueberries. So just with this one, with the blueberry one, we just need half a banana. And the key ingredient, peanut butter. We'll need, I'll pop this in for you, a big nice heaped teaspoon of peanut butter. So another little ingredient nice to add is just a bit of cinnamon. Just gives it another nice little bit of flavour. Okay, fab.
Love it. Haidua. So this would be usually what you'd call a
blue nutter.
Right.
So what we can do is just put a little bit of chia seed on top, just for some colour. The blue nutter is a great smoothie as well to hide those leafy greens for kiddies.
Ah.
Great thing is with the blue nutter, it hides it really well because the blueberries are so vibrant.
Oh.
It easily hides the green smoothie. So adding a handful of greens to the blue nutter as well is a great way of getting some goodness into your kids.
Cheers. RAWE. Ooh. Kei waiporoporo aku niho, so your teeth can go purple.
Sometimes you can get purple lipstick, but we warn customers about that, but yeah.
It sits together so well. E kore pā koe matapa, you wouldn't maybe think, oh, I know, blueberries and peanut butter.
It works perfectly.
How are my teeth?
You're fine. And you can play around with the different superfoods that you put in there, like flax seeds or linseeds are a really great alternative and an extra boost of fibre in there. And it hides most, we mentioned earlier, with being such a vibrant colour, anything you put into it will be hidden quite easily.
Te mea whakamutunga, but we're on to the green colada.
Green colada, yes.
I waiporoporo ke te pūpere, we had purple instead of blue, but I'm figuring that the green, ka kakariki tonu, it's going to be green.
It's definitely green.
So where do we start with the green? Wai kokonati?
Yes.
Coconut water, you said?
Yes, it's great to rehydrate with coconut water. It's a nice fruity base as well. So we need a cup of coconut water. An alternative as well, if you don't have coconut water at home, water just works as a perfect base because we're going to add some pineapple.
Tēnei momo pineapple, so this looks like it's just from a can, is it?
Yeah, you can buy them canned. Good to buy them in the juice rather than the syrup as well.
Aye.
This is another superfood called spirulina. So it's a form of algae. So it doesn't sound very appealing, but it's full of goodness and amazing nutrients, which is a great energy booster to your smoothies. And it adds another level of like deep green. And I picked some of this leafy greens this morning from my garden. So we'll just pop all of this into.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so we'll just try and get a nice big thick one.
Kakutahi?
Yeah, perfect. Okay, and I'll pop a little bit of ice again in there. There we go.
The kakara, it smells good, nice and frothy.
Perfect.
Me te kokonati ki runga?
A little bit of coconut, shredded coconut on top, be lovely. Oh. There we go.
How good does that look?
Nice and beautiful and green. You feel healthier as well because it's green.
RAWE. He reka, engari hara te mea he wene rawa, it's sweet, but it's not too sweet.
Exactly, that nice little balance. It's an enjoyable green smoothie.
The way kokonati me te pineapple, yeah, don't worry, I've battled through some green ones. It must be good for me because it tastes horrible.
Yeah, exactly.
Engari tēnei, RAWE, e toru ngā inu RAWE. So many delicious things that you've shared with us today and some fantastic change outs. E hoa, e kore e mutu ngā mihi ki a koe. Thank you so much for coming in.
My pleasure.
Ko tahi te kupu, RAWE.
Cheers.